Now I'm discussing about that is while loop. What is while loop? While loop is used when the termination condition is known. For example, if you know that in which situation you want to end the loop, at that time you can use the while loop. For example, I want to write the code to find the reverse of the given number, as well as I want to check, and then I want to check given number is palindrome or not. So what is the logic and how we can do this? So it is very simple. For example, if my number is equal to 123, so how many times you want to run this particular loop to check, that we don't know. So at that time you can use the while loop. So you can write here that a while number, this is your number, right? So first we will do what? The temp is equal to number. Now my number will be assigned in temp variable, so I can check while temp is greater than 0, run the loop. Now here you can write that is remainder is equal to temp modulo by 10. So this is my 123 modulo by 10. So I will get the remainder, that will be 3. Then you can write that the reverse is equal to reverse multiply by 10 plus remainder. So reverse you can assign here, that is reverse is equal to 0. So first time it will be 0. 0 into 10 it will be 0 plus remainder is 3. Why? Because 123 modulo by 10 you will get the 3. So reverse will be 3. Now here you can write that is temp is equal to temp divided by 10. So your temp will be now 12. So your temp will be, that is 12. Is 12 is greater than 0? Yes. So remainder is equal to temp modulo 10. So now my remainder will be 2. Remainder is equal to 2. So reverse have 3 value. 3 into 10 it will be 30 plus remainder. So my reverse will be now 32. And temp equal to temp divided by 10. So temp will be now 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. Yes. So you can check remainder is equal to temp modulo 10. So what is temp? Temp is 1. 1 modulo 10, it means it is 1. So reverse is equal to, that is 32. 32 into 10 it will be 320. 320 plus 1 remainder, it means it is 321. Now temp equal to temp divided by 10, temp equal to 1. 1 divided by 10, you will get the temp equal to 0. So now is temp is greater than 0? No. Then loop will be terminated and you will get reverse is equal to 321. Now if your actual number is 123. So if actual number equal reverse, then you can say the given number is palindrome. Else we can say it is not palindrome. And this program you can achieve using the while loop. Why? Because we know when to terminate. We don't know how many times we will run this particular loop. When fixed number of iteration is there, you can use the for loop. But whenever termination condition is known, it means that I want to run this loop up until and unless the temp is greater than 0, then I can use the while loop. So let me give the demonstration for the same. So I'm just saving this program as, that is while demo.java. Now I'm writing here, that is while demo. We will get the input from the user, that is enter any number. So I'm writing here integer number, enter any number. Now I want to get first the reverse of the given number. So it is very simple. Here you can write that is integer reverse is equal to 0 and the temp is equal to number. Now you can write while temp greater than 0, just get the remainder. So you can write integer remainder is equal to temp modulo by 10. And here you can write reverse is equal to reverse multiply by 10 plus remainder. Now here you can write temp is equal to temp divided by 10. And here you can simply print that reverse is equal to, and you can print your reverse number and you can compile your code, that is while demo.java, and you can write java while demo. Then it is asking me for the number. For example, if I am entering the number that is 123, then it will be 321. What is the wonderful thing over here? Suppose if my number is, that is a 6 digit long, then it will run this loop 6 times, right? So this loop will run up to the number that is the temp is greater than 0. So there is no fixed iteration over here. It will run the loop until and unless the number is greater than 0. So when termination condition is known, you can use the while loop. Now I want to check if original number equal reverse of the given number, then you can print the message that number is palindrome. Else you can just print the message that given number is not palindrome. Now you can save this particular code and you can run this particular code. Now enter the number. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. Then it is not palindrome. Reverse is equal to 5 4 3 2 1. Suppose I am writing here that is 11211. Then the given number is palindrome. Why? Because the reverse of the number and the actual number, the content is the same, so it is palindrome. While is known as a pretest loop, so condition will be checked first. If the condition is true, then and then it will enter into the code, otherwise it will not enter into the code. The difference between for and while is what? For is run up to number of times, that is up to fixed iteration, and while will run until and unless it reaches to the termination condition.